Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to add slide numbers to your PowerPoint presentation. First, you want to open up your PowerPoint project. You want to head to Insert in the ribbon and go to Slide Number under Text. Here you'll see a menu. You can add a date and time, footer text and a slide number. Simply check the box next to slide number to add the slide numbers. If you don't want the slide number to show on your title slide, which is your first slide, you can check the box next to Don't Show on Title Slide as well. After you've chosen your preferred settings, you have two options. You can click on Apply, which will apply all settings to the current slide you're seeing, and you can also click on Apply to All, which will apply the settings to all slides within your PowerPoint project. As you can see, I now have page numbers on all slides. When you move the slides in the Thumbnails tab, the page numbers will automatically update as well. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.